Day in the life of Brayden.
I just have on you, Pops.
Dropped our Hello Kitty. And we're off. Yep, it's Mommy. What's Sister doing? Let's go find out. I hit something. Oh, there it is. Maybe I need to check it out. Yeah, let's check it out. Wish there was something to put in my mouth. Put him in with you. Figure out how to drop things and pick them up. Well, big sister's doing it. I want to do it too.
I don't think I'm going to do that.
What did she just put on the bed?
I just put a gore on my bed. Some little bit help for a heavy gore.
What?
I was trying to get ready for Mommy's birthday.
For my birthday?
It's her birthday in my room.
Oh, that's cool. Thanks.
Because I get in on my animals over there before we can join the party.
Oh, so every animal's going to go on the bed again?
To celebrate.
To celebrate.
To
Oh.
celebrate her birthday. I want it to help me. Oh, sorry. Puppy, here you go.
Is Brayden invited?
Yeah, and you can ride it too.
Great.
Each animal,
Who's that?
Snoopy.
Snoopy.
He wants to help.
Oh,
He's
okay.
a little bit sad.
Oh, why is he sad?
A little bit sad. I was celebrating for her party, Bucks. Oh, you need to go over there. Oh, and that's right. Oh, yeah. You guys,
Just trying to figure out what can go in your mouth, huh, Brayden? And the entire toy holder will be emptied in a second, I'm sure, right?
an older puppy. That's my puppy, Brayden.
That's your puppy, Brayden.
That's my puppy named Brayden.
Oh.
That's a new sit.
Is he a good puppy?
Yeah, he's a good puppy. And it's not good puppy. That's a new. It's a good puppy. And this you, Mommy.
Uh-oh. Wait, hold on a second, Haley. Hold on.
Oh, why are you trying?
He wants to help.
Why don't you where's my animals?
Well, let's see. Hold on. What's he trying to do?
Why?
What's he trying to do? Just wait 1 second. Boom. Oh, buddy. Oh. Come here. Come here.